Haley, I need you to take a deep breath. Stop, Connor. Haley, can you cough? Shh, Connor, shh. Take a deep breath, Haley. Can you cough again? Go.
You have to initiate.